So Renosterveld is one of our most threatened ecosystems, one of the world's most threatened ecosystems, but also in terms of plant diversity, one of the richest ecosystems. We have 5% left. We've lost so much from this landscape. But despite all that, we still believe that the diversity and the processes that are in place are worth protecting.
Mens moet op jou knieë gaan en kom kyk wat aangaan, dan sal jy ook besef na 'n tydjie as jy saam met 'n kundige aan die veld was wat ons skat ons hier het van onskatbare waardes.
Ek dink daar's nog so baie wat ons moet wat 'n mens kan leer en wat ons nooit self regtig besef het wat hier by ons is nie.
There's not a lot of information about Renosterveld.
This book is the first guide to Renosterveld exclusively, so that sets it apart from others. Altogether it took us over 5 years from the sort of first meeting between all the co-authors to receiving the first printed copy. The selection process of which species to include was quite a complicated one. And then we divided the families up amongst the authors, and we're each responsible for writing up certain sections. But a lot of the work involved just verifying IDs, making collections, making a lot of additional collections even after the first draft had gone into strike. There was a lot of ground truthing that had to be done. We are hoping that the book creates greater awareness amongst those who were just starting to perhaps dabble in Renosterveld and show some interest in it. We really want to draw attention to the fact that it's not a wasteland, uitvalgrond. It's not the ugly sister of Fynbos. It really is something unique and special. And we hope that all the colourful images in the book will really bring that home, and will encourage people to go out in the veld and look for those things, particularly landowners who are the custodians of this amazing habitat.
You know, the Renosterveld, for most people and novices like myself, it's just kind of grey bush. There are beautiful little plants in between if you look carefully. But it's nice to have, you know, some source of information to look up things and understand better this incredible veld type.
Daar's so baie wat ons nog wat ek nog wil leer en wat ons kinders moet of wat ek graag sou wil hê hulle moet leer. En dit is mos nou 'n lekker gids, is amper soos 'n voelboek wat jy kan gaan kyk en saamvat in die veld en die veld herken.
We've tried to make it as accessible to landowners as possible, not just to botanists and naturalists. So we've included some management guidelines. We've included not just close to 1,000 plants, but also selection of animals, from insects to mammals and reptiles and birds. It's really there to inspire and to share with people what we actually find in Renosterveld, the whole diversity of it.
Ek dink 'n mens wil maar 'n bietjie bewusmaking kweek en soos hulle daar is mos net 5% oor en om dit vir mense kinders te bewaar. Dit sal hartseer wees as dit moet verlore gaan.
We need to make every effort to protect the last 5% that we have. We need to protect it for future generations, for their enjoyment, but also to maintain some form of healthy ecosystem functioning amongst our farming landscapes.